Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can play OG Fortnite. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open the Discord app on your PC and make sure to join the Eris server. Once you have joined it, simply navigate to the download channel and choose the platform you play Fortnite on. Once downloaded, click on it and install it. Once installed, click on the next button and they authorize the software. You will be redirected to a Discord webpage and then asked to log in if you are not signed into your account. If you are, just click on the authorize button and come back to the software. Now, enter referral code if you have any, and on the next step, let it download its files and skip through the intro. Here, your account will be logged in from the start. Simply navigate to the Downloads tab from the left side menu and a prompt will appear. Click on it and set a download path where the game will be downloaded. After setting up the path, close the Settings tab and click on Download button after selecting the top version, and it will start downloading. Once the download is completed, you will be able to use the customizable battle pass and earn cosmetics through it. You can also complete challenges to unlock new styles and progress through the game. You also get a shop from where you can buy cosmetics, and it also refreshes daily, so you get a bunch of new choices every day. This version also allows players to give things like skins if they want to any of their friends. Inside the Career tab, you can also check your daily stats for free and keep a track of them. That's how you can play OG Fortnite. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.